Want to pick pumpkins? Want to take a hayride? Want to see little piggies race or play in the corn beds? That can all be done just a short drive up North Parkway to Lyon Farms. And this is just one of the cool things I love about my town of Huntsville. It's so close, a short drive to Lyon Farms for all this family fun. So whether you're looking for things to do around North Alabama or you're interested in buying or selling a home, you can call me. Your next home is just a click away. Allison Click with Leading Edge Real Estate.